Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do unboxing and testing on a bundle Bosch electric lawnmower RMA 32 or Rotak 32. They're basically the same model, just different names depending on the market. And Bosch EasyGrassCut 23 280 watts. This is a very good starter package for a small or medium garden. So let's start. And before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you will find to purchase both of these products on my Amazon UK link down below in the description. Okay. First, we're gonna start with the Bosch EasyGrassCut 23. It's a very small electric trimmer, only 280 watts, 23 centimeters. It's 2 kilo weight, it's very lightweight, and you can see it's with semi-automatic hand and adjustable handle, and also this model has a included plant protector. So we'll see this as we go through, as I start assembling. There is a 3-year guarantee. You need to register on the Bosch website for that. The instruction manual is here. It's the same for these two models, 23 and 26. 26 means it's 26 cutting diameter. Everything else is the same. Also, you have the complete instruction manual in some 30 languages. Here we have the protector. It's made of plastic. This is the plant protector part. So and this is the screw. So when we fix, so we need a screwdriver for that. This is the screw that it's holding the protector. Okay, let me explain you one thing about this is the part where the extra line it's coming out of the spool, so it cut extra so it doesn't go over the protector. And here it is. It's quite small. It's very easy to set up. These are the small rubber protectors. We have to take them out before we assemble it. The handle, it can be adjusted when pushing these two buttons. So in order to set up this, we have to lock the top part first, like this, and then we have the bottom part. We have to take the rubber protector as well. This is actually the power cable that it's powering the motor here. Again, we need to get up to the hole so we can lock this part too. Like this. So we're pretty much done, except we have to put the protector here. Here I'll show you. You can see all the data on the product, and it's made in China. And this is the original, no sticker. So we have to fit the protector here, and this is the hole where the screw is going in. We're not gonna mess with the head. I will show you another video how to change the spool. It's quite easy. Like that. So the screw comes in here. Now we're all set. This can be extended okay, this is the best way. So the distance, it's the same as the spool line. Spool line will be cut here, so the distance is up to the end of protector, so you don't destroy additionally plant, just cut the grass, which is the good part. So I will recommend always to keep this distance. So that's about it. Here we have the cable and the trigger. In order to start, you need to push this button, and this is like a safety, so we don't start accidentally. Not to forget, always wear protective goggles. When you go outside and start cutting, you can use additional equipment, but goggles are most important. This is the cable holder, and the handle can be adjusted in the position you prefer, like this. So both have to be pushed. So this is like most convenient, most comfortable position. So we're done with this. Now we're gonna assemble the lawnmower. It's for up to 150 square meters yards. It's lightweight. It's 5.6 kilos. Can cut up to the edge, and has 32 centimeters, sorry, blade cutting diameter, and it's 1200 watts and 31 liter grass collector. So let's open the box and assemble the product. Here it's shown the it can cut in 3 different heights, 20, 40 and 60 millimeters, and need to be adjusted when you turn your lawnmower on the back. I show you later, which means it's better if it's unplugged, and then you adjust. I recommend usually the middle, the 40 millimeters, which is more convenient, and always to stay in that position, but sometimes you need to cut higher or lower depending on your how do you prefer that. Here we have the handle for the grass collector, 2 screws with the wing nuts for the handle, manuals, and 2 screws for the handle. I'll show you when we go over that. This is the top part of the handle with the starter. This is the top part of the grass collector box. This is the bottom part of grass collector box. We need to set up that extra foil. Okay, 2 handles, 2 holes and 2 holes. This goes in the lawnmower here. This part extends the top part of the handles. And the actual lawnmower, which is pretty much pre-assembled, and there is not much that we need to assemble more there. So what is important first, this, so the lawnmower goes up to the edge here. This is the blade, it's inside like this. So this is 32 millimeters. Here are the 3 heights you can adjust. Now it's the highest, the lowest 20 millimeters, but we switch this to medium. The same thing here. It's doesn't go very easy, but we are all set up here, so we don't need additional settings. It says has a power drive motor, and let's see the sticker where it's made. Because we are done with this, let's see what we have in the box. Handle, so 2 screws for the handles. This is holder for the cable, and then you attach to the handle, and 2 screws with the wing nuts. Of course, there is instruction manual, many languages, but I'm showing you. And then as well you have 3 years guarantee. if you register this product 4 weeks after the purchase. Let's set up the collector box first. So this part here goes in this here, so we're gonna and we are all done. Okay. Okay, so we are all done with this, and we can go to do some grass cutting. But before that, I show you first how to install the collector glass. So we need to lift the cover, take the collector glass, grass collector, and there's two positions here that need to be fit, and that's it. So let's go. Let's try them now. This is the cable holder hole. So let's see, we push first this button, and then now this sound means that we have extra line, and that's why this is the sound we want to hear.